Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Samba puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto from Japan and made in Czech Republic by Pelikan. The Samba puzzle is made of two different types of wood, Wenge and Garapa for the pieces. This puzzle has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all three parts inside the frame in such a way that the opening of the frame will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts and there will be no openings left. That means that the whole area is supposed to be covered with the pieces. And that looks quite difficult since the opening seems quite large at a first glance. But if you take a closer look, you will find that the opening is actually only 2 by 2 by 2. But there is a trick here, since even though the opening is 2 by 2 by 2, you can still see this part on the bottom. And that means that you can't just cover this top part of the opening, you have to cover these bottom pieces as well. So it's not actually, you can use only 2 by 2 by 2, but the opening that you have to cover is 2 by 3 by 2. So let's make it a little bit more challenging. And all three parts are, as always, completely different. They're quite complicated, and it's going to be a challenge to find the correct assembly so that you are going to cover the opening. It is actually even quite a challenge to find any assembly, since these parts are very complicated. So, for example, this one looks like a nice assembly, but not the whole opening will be covered. There's going to be a gap right in this part. So you have to find another assembly and then figure out the way how to fit all three parts inside the frame. That's going to be quite a challenge. If you like Samba puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.